of Inspector Paul Ibrahim. Then the family of Inspector Ali Mustafa to follow. Then the family of Inspector Danjuma Ilya to follow. Then the family of Inspector Wilfred Garuba. Then the family of Inspector Mohammed Zakari. Then to be followed by the family of Umar Adamu. Okay. Insurance officer, is it okay? Peter Alta. Okay. Others, you collect your own, don't worry. You collect your own. Thank you so much, Inspector General of Police. Let's have our seats. Cameramen, go back to your various positions. Oh, they need to give vote of thanks from anyone of the beneficiaries. Please come over. Thank you.
Good evening, all. I, Salmata, on behalf of all of us, would like to use this opportunity to thank the Inspector General of Police, Nigerian Police Insurance, and the entire Nigerian Police. Words cannot express our gratitude towards your hard work on seeing that we were being paid our benefits of our lost loved ones. May God bless you, and may God bless Nigeria.
Can we please appreciate her once again? Let us encourage her. Thank you so much, Inspector General of Police and other various officers. Now we're going to have group photograph with them, I think batch by batch. So staff officers from insurance, you need please coordinate that. We want to respectfully invite the IGP again to please come forward. Okay, they can go up. So then go up. Let them go up. Staff officers, please, proper arrangement. Sit one. And some of them go to the other side of the IGP, the left side of the IGP. Don't put IGP at the end, please. Mike, arrange, let's go to the other side. Still camera, you are blocking video cameras. Take your shot and leave. The next set, please. Thank you. Let's go over to sit on time so that we can finish this program. I'm waiting for them, sir. We're closing this event while we take a national anthem. Thank you. Thank you, the Inspector General of Police. Thank you, members of the Force Management Team, various officers. Gentlemen of the press, thank you for your patience, thank you for your time. And our beneficiaries, God bless with you and console you. Thank you.
Take this one. Jacket. Inside. We're gonna start it.